How to build a PC setup. Remember when we built a gaming PC? Now Archie builds a PC setup. But what does Archie want to build? A productivity setup? Archie is a software engineer. A gaming setup? So Archie can reach level 10, face it. What about a bit of both? Archie goes to IKEA. Archie buys countertop. Archie buys standing desk legs. Hey, go home. Archie goes to tech store. Archie does not know what keyboard to buy. Gaming keyboard or custom mechanical keyboard? What keyboard should Archie buy? Custom mechanical keyboard, because fuck you. Now Archie needs a mouse. Archie thinks he should get the Attack Shark X11. Nah, Archie is getting the Logitech G Pro Wireless and a Logitech Master MX3s. Pay, go home. Now we build a desk setup. Monitor arm. Monitor. PC. Connect PC to monitor. Mousepad. Mouse. Keyboard. Connect to PC. Wow. Add fake plant for wow. Nice. Now Archie can pretend to work, and while gaming, Archie happy.
أحمد محسن يا أحمد يا محسن